Are you tired of painful gums and bad breath? You're not alone. Gum disease affects nearly half of adults over 30. Ignoring it can lead to serious dental issues. But what if there was a simple solution? Introducing Gum Disease Gone by Julissa Clay. This powerful ebook unlocks the secrets to treating gum disease naturally. Say goodbye to temporary fixes and heal from within. Here are 3 key benefits you'll discover. First, learn how to boost your gut health to fight gum issues. Second, explore natural remedies that you can easily find at home. Third, get 2 cheat sheets to optimize your oral hygiene effortlessly. What makes our approach unique? Gum Disease Gone focuses on both internal and external causes. You'll develop healthier gums while improving your overall health. Imagine waking up without bad breath or gum pain. Picture yourself flashing a confident smile, free from worry. To sum up, enhance your oral health with effective, natural methods. Don't wait for more issues to arise. Act now. Download Gum Disease Gone by link in the description below and regain your smile today.